The 3 bedrooms provide comfortable and private retreats for residents and guests alike. Each bedroom is thoughtfully designed with cozy bedding, ample storage solutions, and stylish decor, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep and a refreshing start to each day. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, this shipping container house is a shining example of sustainability. By repurposing shipping containers, it reduces waste and minimizes its environmental impact, while also offering a durable and cost-effective housing solution. Energy-efficient features further enhance its eco-friendly credentials, making it a model of responsible living for the modern age.